We are a 274-bed hospital close to Virginia Beach and Chesapeake. We're the busiest ER in the whole East Coast, constantly growing. We are wide open for the community. We want to make sure this hospital is inviting. If we take good care of our landscape, if we take good care of our property, that's a reflection of our care for the patients. And so we want to make sure that the very first thing that they see gives them a comfort level of, we're going to take care of you. You're our number one priority. And from the time you walk in, we want to make sure that you get the best service possible.
Sentara was a really big opportunity for us to partner with. Aaron was evaluating several contractors, and when Davey looked at the portfolio, we just sort of clicked. We kind of saw eye to eye on a lot of things that were important to him, like quality, safety, one point of contact, and things just took off from there.
So our weekly service is 4-man team. They're mowing, edge and string trimming, and then we prune the site 3 times a year. We'll mulch once a year. We install flowers twice a year. And then we have snow services and irrigation services. Quality is something that we're top notch at. My main thing personally is people. My relationship with Aaron is the utmost importance at this campus. I'm here to take care of them, and that's what I'm gonna do every day.
Partnering with Davey, we really have a good relationship of making sure that we're doing rounds, making sure that we're keeping our patients and staff safe. As a facility director, I have to have trust and I have to have communication. I have no problem going to them, and they're very, very proactive and very, very open to hear my opinion. We have such a great relationship. They take great care of my property, and the collaboration over the last few years has definitely been something that I really enjoyed.